Good evening, guys. Welcome to Welding the Sky. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. We're going to be doing something different today. I'm going to be welding regular metal. I finished horizontal yesterday, so today I'll be working on vertical. I just got done grinding the ends to make it soft to put on here. And then I will weld it and show how it looks like. My other horizontal one passed, so after this I will be doing the overhead. So I weld a couple of pieces and I will show you what it looks like and see how it goes. For me, welding these vertical ones, I have my amps to set about 94. It says about 90 to 94 for a good amperage rate. And I am using the 7018s for this. I will be putting one here, and then running it this way. But it's going to be vertical going up. But I will weld a piece and then I'll let you know. Okay, so now I have welded these two together and attached them. Now I'm going to take them and turn it horizontal on my C-clip like this and weld uphill. Alright, now I got it on my vertical. Now I'm just going to weld a straight shot with the 7018s right through here. And then our welding teacher will bend it, and I'll let you know tomorrow if it passes. I'm going to take off through this and see what I'll do. So as you can see, kind of, I made it good all the way here, and then up here it started. I went too fast, and I have slide up there. So this one's not going to pass. I'm going to have to restart and do it all over again. And make sure I go as slow as I did right here and not too fast up here in this area, because then it doesn't make it into a U shape and come together. So I just asked, this one is not going to pass. I'm going to have to flip it over and do this side. I know where I messed up down here. It should have been a little bit more slower. I got some holes in it, which holes will not let it pass through. So I'm going to take it and put it on this clamp and redo it and let y'all know. Okay, I finished this one. This one was a little bit better than the last one. It wasn't as great because the other side of the plate over here was really, really hot. So I did finish better than the other one. It's not enough to pass, so I gotta keep practicing till I get it. I'll probably do one or two more, and it should be good. But let's see if we can take it down and see. And take it down off of the camera and see real quick. and will hopefully have a better run. So it is a little bit better than the first one, now that I've taken it down and looked at it. I'm going to have to fix the gaps and holes, and then it should be good. I don't know what you know, this metal is really hot. We do put it in water when we are done, and yes, I do wear protection. I wear my gloves and my welding jacket and my hat and my glasses, just to be sure that I don't touch any of the hot metal that is on here on my welding electrodes. Go over there until I'm done, and then I go and put them in the bucket. I hang up my stick thing right here and my handle over here, that way it's connected to the metal. I do have 60 tins in here, but I'm not using those currently. I'm just using the 78 tins. I have my grinder that I grind the metal off to see all the slag and everything else to make sure it is good, and my pliers that I carry hot metal with. So I'm going to do this other one and try to do it twice and then let y'all see. Okay, so I got another one ready. I'm getting it ready to weld with my electrode of 78 tins. I'm going to do this side and my other side, and then I should be good for testing and running it. As I said yesterday, our welding teacher went and bent my horizontal one, and it passed. So now I have this one overhead and a couple more, and then I'll be done. Okay guys, I have finished this one, and it looks a lot better than the other ones. So I'm going to take it to the welding teacher and see if he can go bend it. But as of right now, I want to thank y'all for watching my YouTube channel. If you want to see more videos like this, like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see any more. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.